Hello friends, my name is Krunal Patel. I am the head of revenue function at NTT Data Business Solution. My role here is to work with our customers and make them successful on various SAP and other than SAP technologies. To help our customers demystify the entire technology revolution which is happening around us and to make sense of how they could use the latest technology to their advantage, we welcome you all to this Techbytes series by NTT Data. Here, we would be bringing technology leaders, industry leaders to talk about the latest trends in the technology and how our customers could use it for their advantage. In this first episode of Techbytes, today we will meet Rupa Karemungikar. She is the Global Head of Product Management at NTT Data Business Solution. Welcome to the show, Rupa.
Thank you, Krunal, for having me at this show.
Excellent. So, Rupa, let's start with a brief introduction of your role.
I head the Global Product Management for Global Business and Managed Services at NTT Data Business Solutions, which essentially means continuously making sure our customers have value and are getting our innovations into their existing landscapes. So my role involves with exploring and assessing all new technology and products to make sure we have the best juice for our customers available.
Excellent. I like the way how you say juice available for the customer, and also the fact that in this role, I'm sure you would be, looking at a lot of new trends in technologies and how that could really make sense for our customers, and that's a very, very exciting place to be right now. So, there has been a lot of discussion in last 6 months around artificial intelligence, generative AI, and so on and so forth. So, what do you think are the key trends that our customers should be looking at right now?
I think artificial intelligence has been around for decades. Possibly started with the defense and army and was unknown to the common person, but now it has become inevitable, and the industry, companies, all sectors are adopting to it at a large scale. But from a trends perspective, I think generative AI has completely disrupted how companies have to adapt, and mostly around knowledge workers, ITES companies will definitely have to transform the way they are serving customers today.
No, I think that really brings in the essence of today's discussion, because I see a lot of our customers, their board members, CEOs, CXOs are, while they are very fascinated and excited about the prospect of artificial intelligence, but they're still, I would say, a little vulnerable and trying to make sense of how they would use this to their benefit. So what would be your advice to the board and to the CXO, what they should be doing now?
I think from a board and CXO's perspective, obviously the business comes first and the impact on people. So my recommendation would be to take a honest assessment of the business situation depending on the industry, and ensure that they get proper advice with their existing vendors. I mean, we also have a AI advisory service, but it's very important to take a candid assessment of the situation to see the impact of this AI and generative AI on the business. Because I feel if customers lose this opportunity, it will be very difficult to catch up with competition.
That's right.
Because the competitors are surely getting there fast enough.
And I'm sure this is not true only for IT and ITES companies, but it is also true for equally true for manufacturing and CPG and retail customers, because AI is going to impact every industry, and it is not only at a level but every level. So I think that perfectly aligns with how customer can take advantage. And finally, what would be your top 3 advice for customers who are embarking on creating business case for artificial intelligence? Where do they start?
I think first, education is my recommendation. I think there is a lot of chaos and confusion in the market now, yes, and loads of content around in the social media and in general, even academia. But it's very important to have a good awareness, and I suggest that each of us must upgrade ourselves with the latest in AI and and breaking it down to the bare bones and understanding the basic terminologies. But it's not about programming really, but how do we apply AI in our companies and in our daily lives. So that would be my top recommendation. Second is, I think, make a list of the low-hanging opportunities for automation within our own companies. We are doing that as well, as you're aware, in NTT Data Business Solutions. And the third one is, of course, seek formal advice in terms of how do they budget and transform the existing organization and its business.
Perfect. I think that's a very a perfect way to sum up the AI advisory that we would like our customers to look at. And I think first is know yourself, educate, and then look at what are the low-hanging business cases which could have an impact on your industries. To know more in detail how this can be done, please stay in touch. We are available. Talk to you soon. Thank you.